everyone, my name is Ruchita and welcome to my YouTube channel. And I'm here to show you a few easy ways to refresh your curls. Now what is refreshing? It basically means bringing back your curls without having to wash them, and it is really easy and you can just do it in few minutes and just wait for your hair to dry. When I used to refresh my hair at the beginning, I was really confused. Even if I saw billions of videos on it, I was not able to understand how it is, but I found my way of refreshing my hair because I know this will work for me. So you need to experiment with different things. Every time you will have a different thing to do. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video and I will show you how you can refresh your hair. So the first thing to refresh your curls is to applying water. Water is the key to everything. You do not need to apply tons of product or huge amounts of it, but what you can do instead is apply water. Water reactivates all the ingredients, all the products that you've used already, and you can also apply some of it like I will do here. Just keep watching. This is my day 3 hair. If it's your day 2 hair, you can just apply some water on the frizzy parts and smooth it down, and that will do the trick. But if it's your 3rd, 4th day, what you can do is refresh it like this. Be very gentle with your hair because it might break if you just do this. Just smooth it down and the frizz will settle a bit. So my hair is wet now, and if it is your day 2 hair, you can just leave it like this and smooth the frizzy parts just like this, so there isn't any frizz. But since it is my day 3 hair and I want to apply some products, if you want to do more, you can do only gel refresh, or you can also apply a leave-in conditioner. I'm using Curlup's leave-in conditioner and I really love this because it gives me amazing volume and curls at the same time. You can also use a gel after this, but it is also good alone and I really love this. This is my favorite product. So I'm just gonna take a teeny tiny amount of it. You don't really need huge amounts because there is product already on your hair. So this is it. I'm putting some water on it. Just smooth it down. Just make sure not to apply too much product because it will only lead to more frizz and you don't really want that. You can also use your conditioner that is CG friendly or any conditioner that you like as a leave-in conditioner because it is not necessary to buy a separate leave-in. Now you can see the curls already forming, but since it is rainy season, I would like some definition and hold to my curls because it may get frizzier later. So what I like to do is I made a homemade flaxseed gel that I've made a video on already. I'm just gonna use it and that's it. Just gonna go ahead with the gel and apply it like this. You can section your hair if you like because that's how the product will be applied evenly. Scrunching up your hair encourages the curls and the shrinkage that is really amazing. You can see the volume already. I just love this method. If you feel your hair is not wet properly, you can just go ahead and apply some more water. You can always apply more water. I think that my hair is gonna be super voluminous. I've applied the leave-in already, so I'm just gonna go ahead with the gel. Don't forget this part because it is really important to pay attention to it because there's a lot of frizz there. If you do not have the time to wash your hair all over again, you can just follow these steps and refresh your curls, just make sure not to do this for many days. Take care of scalp's health, and that's also really important. You can also finger coil these front framing layers because they frame your face and you might want that amazing definition. So just go ahead and finger coil them like this and just scrunch it up. Also, if you do not see the curls already, you can just go ahead with spray water. No need to add more products because there is already so much product on your hair that you do not really need it. Now just let it be and let it dry. You can air dry or diffuse, and let's wait and watch. You can then go ahead and scrunch up your hair to remove the gel cast. You can also shake your roots for that extra volume. Wow. Do you see this? I cannot believe sometimes it's my hair. Also, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you like this.